YouTube and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a monkey with my wonderful assistant, Inky. Inky, what are you doing?
I was practicing my monkey sounds for the video.
This is the video. You're being filmed, Inky.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
Well, let's still get started.
No more monkeying around.
So, the first thing that you're going to draw is a small semicircle almost in the middle of the paper. Then you're going to draw an even smaller one inside of it. Then you're going to do a furry texture right here, and then do a big semicircle with the same texture from there to there. Then you're going to draw another one of these. That's an ear. Then you're going to keep drawing the squiggly lines. And you don't have to do this, but you can stop at the top, make the hair go up a little.
What a funky monkey.
Then you're going to start drawing the eyes. Do 2 big circles. An even bigger circle here. With a little indent there. And a small semicircle without a bottom here. And 2 commas inside of it for the nose.
Or apostrophes.
Then you're going to draw the mouth. Do a big curved line with another curved line under it. For the eyes, you're also going to want to do a smaller circle in each of them, a tiny circle in each of them, and this circle also in each of them. Fill this one in. Then you're going to fill in this one.
That monkey looks very happy. Do you know what you call an angry monkey?
What, Inky?
Furious George.
Then you can fit eyebrows here. Do 2 curved triangles. You can also draw teeth on the monkey. And do 1 line here and 1 line here. Then you can start drawing the body. You can do 1 long line here, make this furry, and make it curve out like this for the tail. Do the same thing on the other side. Do a little curved line here. Then you can continue and start on the legs. Do a long line here, 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 and here. Then you do the same thing here, 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 and here. Then you can start drawing the feet. You're almost done.
So soon? But this is more fun than a barrel of markers.
Do these 4 squiggly lines, and then below them, draw curved fists like this. You do 1 curved C shape, and a second, a third, and a fourth. Even 1 foot that's not a fist would be fine. You can copy that. But then you can do another like that. Then you can add a little extra stuff, like wrinkles on the feet. Or extra furry lines like this. Then you're done with your monkey. I'm going to start coloring mine in time lapse.
Let's go bananas!
And there you have it, a cute little monkey. Thanks for the suggestion. If anybody else has any more suggestions, please email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com. Inky, now you can make your monkey noises.